You want to be able to give away money, cars. You want to be able to give away homes. You want to be able to give hope to people. That kind of stuff gives people hope, man. Because you know what's going to get better? My surroundings. I can control what I do right here. It's your main Manny Vapors back with another vlog. If it's your first time to the channel, please subscribe, man. We love y'all, man. Cut that music off. But look, man, it's another beautiful Saturday, man. The birds are chirping. The weather's great, man. I'm feeling great, and I know you're feeling great. And if you wasn't feeling great before you got here, now is the time to decide how you're gonna feel. Man, the world is burning, literally, not even figuratively. Everything going wrong for me, man. It ain't going right, man. I can't get right. You know, every time I come up, I come back down, man. But there's some things that you can put your hand on right now that's proof that something went right. I mean, I would say this as a minimum, the fact that you're watching this video on some device, computer, cell phone, something, TV. There you go. You winning right now. Your phone ain't cut off. You got access to somebody's TV. You got access to somebody's laptop. So get on Google and figure out what the next thing is gonna be. Figure it out. Don't quit. Figure it out, man. I'm always trying to figure out the next thing, man. And I ain't even gonna lie, man. Like the last couple of days, man, you know, it's been real tough, man, around the world, man. And, you know, I just been like just sitting around thinking like, bro, is it gonna get better? Part of me be like, nah, it ain't gonna get better. But then the other side of me, the motivating side of me, the forever believer inside of me, yeah, it's gonna get better. Cause you know what's going to get better? My surroundings. I can control what I do right here in Spring Lake, North Carolina, Fayetteville, North Carolina, Raleigh, Durham. I can control what I do right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm in control of my own happiness. You know what I'm saying? I got a family inside that house right there that love me, that's counting on me. So I had to build myself back up because they need me to stay up. I can't be down. I can't. Do I get knocked down? Yeah. We all get knocked down. We get shaken. Like I said, especially with everything that's going on in the world right now. You know what I mean? Last couple of days, like I said, it's been tough, man. But it's been a lot tougher on some other people. Whole lot tougher. So that's how I kind of wake myself up and remind myself, like, bro, look around. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. Look where you at. Yeah, it's tough, but look where you at. You know, I went made some moves today, and the moves that I made, I was out and about, and, you know, I saw a lot of people, man, a lot of people. It felt like more than normal that was, you know, needing money. You know what I'm saying? At just about every stoplight that we went to, somebody, you know, needed some money. And y'all know me, and if y'all seen the first video I dropped, when I gave my mom the car last September, I'm literally on my way to Durham, you know, while I was recording, you know, I gave somebody some money at the stoplight and just told them to be blessed. You know, I don't put a whole bunch of what they gonna do with it. I don't get into all that. The Lord lead me to give, I just give. You know what I mean? I don't put no restrictions on it. Hey, don't go buy no cigarettes, don't go buy no alcohol. You know, like I said in that video, you try to spend a night outside in 40-degree weather, you might need a drink too. You might need a cigarette too. You know, I don't do none of that stuff, but I don't know what you need sleeping outside. But I do know you need food, you need to eat. So, God bless you. Here you go. But it's not that bad, man. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It could be worse is what I tell myself and what I show myself. What I show myself, it's not that bad. It could be worse, man. So I'm just gonna do my part and make the world better in my corner of the world with my friends and strangers and people that I meet and become friends with. I'm just gonna make it better here. Feel me? And that's what I would encourage you to do. Do the same thing, man. Make it better in your world. You know, do an evaluation of yourself, man. Do an evaluation of yourself. You know, are you fair? You know, am I fair? Do I treat everybody the same? And sometimes you might find out you don't. You might favor certain friends over other friends. So maybe you need to, you know, start over today and say, you know what? Moving forward, I'm gonna make sure I'm more conscious of how I treat everybody. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make sure that I'm showing love to everybody. And people that know me, man, they know how I roll, man. I show love to everybody. Purposely, on purpose, man, just loving everybody, man. I don't have no enemies like that. You know, if somebody actually proclaimed to be an enemy of mine, I would be totally oblivious to it because I'm not even aware of it and don't care. You know, because every now and then, you be around long enough, you'll hear, different things that people say, and I've made some videos about this, how to handle people talking about you and stuff like that, man. So, I'll hear, yeah, so-and-so said X, Y, Z, man. And all it do is put a smile on my face, man. Because when I hear that and I'm still talking to those people that are supposedly talking about me, you know what I mean? I really don't care. Because they don't pay my mortgage. They don't have any access to my multiple streams of income. They're not helping me mentor folk. They're not blocking me from doing anything. Actually all they do is give me a little bit of extra motivation. Sometimes you can get bored, but that's extra motivation, man, when you hear all the naysayers coming in. And the naysayers, they want to be right. The naysayers want to be right, man. And don't do it for them because they're always going to be there. Do it because it's the right thing to do. Build an empire because it's the right thing to do. Because you want to be able to give at a high level. You know what I'm saying? You want to be able to give away money, cars. You want to be able to give away homes. You want to be able to give hope to people. That kind of stuff gives people hope, man. People down on their luck, man. And then out of nowhere, you come with a car. I want to be able to go ride by bus stops. And, I like when I see, like families together. I see like a little young couple or something with a baby, maybe the mom, dad, and the baby at the bus stop. And everything in me, man, just want to pull up on them and give them a car. Just pull up on them and give them a car. Pull up on them, give them a car. And talk to them, find out, what the situation is, and if they're in school, pay for their school. If they're in the training program, pay for it. If they don't have a job, use my network of people that I know in the community, you know what I'm saying, and get them a job. Those are the kind of things that I want to do, and I'm not in that position to do that. So there's more work for me to do, man. That's why I can't quit. That's why I can't stay down regardless of what's going on right now in the world, man. Eric, E-Vapors, like a lot of people know me as Uncle, I can't stay down, man. I gotta get up, man. So I'm up. I'm back. In a perfect situation, I would say I would have both of them. Take it down to BMW and say, oh yeah, this right here was wrong, boom, boom, boom. And, and I is driving and working just fine. You feel me? Or would I just say, you know what? I'm tired of dealing with living at the dealership, not getting a loaner car and all that good stuff. So, I'm just gonna trade the i8 in. You did what I'm saying? And have that positive equity going into the Lamborghini. Cause that's my next car. You ain't gonna get no Lamborghini. Look. Now let me add something. Y'all probably remember in some previous videos when we went to the car show, when me and my wife went to the car show, man, that was a beautiful wide body Hellcat, the black on black joint. With the Alcantara steering wheel, Alcantara on the seats. Beautiful car. So don't mess around and let the i8 pull up out of here and then I get the doggone Hellcat and then double back and get the Lambo, or get the Lambo and then double back and get the Hellcat. All those things are possible, man. Y'all know what we do around here. We swipe up.